Before starting any print job, ensure that the guillotine is on the right hand side if you're using the flat output tray. Also ensure that the media inside the printer is laying completely flat and there are no bubbles on the print run. Ensure that the media is underneath the two black guides, the one on the left and the one on the right. Before starting any prints, ensure the printer is online. This will happen when it's connected to the Better Print software and the Better Print software is running. Ensure that the printer has been cleaned by pressing the clean button. Now perform a nozzle check pattern by pressing the test button. Feed the film through so that you can see the nozzle check pattern on your output tray. Do this by pressing the front button on the front of the printer. Hold it in and this will make the film move through the front of the machine. Ensure you can see the full nozzle check pattern. If the nozzle check pattern has some patterns missing like this one does, run another clean and perform another nozzle check. The printer required 2 head cleans in this instance to get a good nozzle check pattern. As you can see, the nozzles here are perfect and now we recommend starting to print. Before printing, you can trim the media by holding it down and pulling the guillotine to the other side. Ensure you move the guillotine back and we're good to start printing.